In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and utilize the Salesforce Lightning platform, which will be focusing specifically on creating and editing reports. So whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's start by heading over to the Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice an icon that looks like a grid in the top left corner. This is your app launcher. Click on it and you'll see a list of all the available Salesforce apps and features. It's a super handy tool for quickly jumping to different parts of Salesforce, so don't forget it's there. From the app launcher, go ahead and click on the Reports option. This will take you into the world of Salesforce reports where you can visualize and analyze your data in countless ways. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll see a list of your recent reports. Spend a few moments familiarizing yourself with this list. It can be quite informative, especially when you need to quickly access your most used reports. Next, find the specific report you want to work with. Click on the arrow down button next to your chosen report. This button allows you to access more options, such as editing or deleting the report. For this tutorial, we'll be clicking on Edit. This will open up the report in the editor where you can really get into the meat of creating a useful document. Now that you're in the editing mode, it's time to start manipulating your report. Begin by adding group rows. Grouping your rows helps organize your data in a way that's easier to understand. You can choose your group depending on the kind of data you want to focus on. Perhaps you want to group sales figures by region or by product line. Choose the grouping option that best suits your needs. Once you've selected your rows, decide what type of grouping you would prefer. This could involve simply categorizing data or something more complex like subgrouping numbers. Your choice will depend on what you intend to do with the report, so take a moment to think about your needs. Similarly, when you're ready to organize your columns, it is a good idea to think about what type of column you want to include. Choose columns that reflect the key data points you need, such as the type of product, sales figures, or other relevant metrics. After you're satisfied with your groupings and column selections, choose your desired preferences. This includes sorting options, filters, and any other customizations that help transform raw data into something informative and actionable. Finally, once everything looks exactly how you want it, click on Save and Run. This option will save all the edits you've made and run the report so you can see your final product. You've now successfully navigated the process of creating and editing a report in Salesforce Lightning.